In this video, we're going to talk about how to organize the records within your EndNote. This is a screenshot of my EndNote, and I want to organize some of these records into different groups. EndNote calls groups instead of folders. I might use this interchangeably. So we can select an item, drop-down menu here. Here's some groups I've already created in the drop-down menu. I can add that record to one of those groups, or I can go down here, select a new group, and create a new group in that way. Another option that you have is to click on the Organize button. You will see Manage My Groups. You will be able to create a new group, the button at the bottom. Let's go back to my references for one other research strategy that you may find useful to organize your research. I'm going to go to Quick Search here on the left. Let's go ahead and do a search for all the records that have knowledge somewhere in the record. This way, you're able to see unclassified bibliographic citation records that you may have somewhere in your work. You can add those to any group that you want.